Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet, and today we are going to be doing a small Amazon and Target haul, because there are some things here from Amazon, but I also have one thing here from Target. This first item, it is a 6-pack of acrylic wall shelves. This has been in my Amazon cart for about a year, and I did really want to get them. Upon looking at the package after we opened them, we saw that there were these like little spider like spider cracks on them. So we're hoping that doesn't hurt the product, because I plan on putting 2 of these shelves in either daughter's room. So that's 4 shelves right there, and then having either 2 shelves in our room or in the living room near our diffuser. So that's the plan with those. Hopefully things work out. Next up, this is a pack of Pentel Energize. It's the mechanical pencil with the lead. So I already got the lead before, and I also bought I'll show you here in a second, but oh no, I won't show you in a second because they haven't come yet, but I bought a thing of Pentel click erasers to go with it. So we have all the Pentel pencil and eraser stuff, so that is always great to have. This that I'm trying to show you here is a set of planner stickers. I believe it's for the Happy Planner. I do not have a Happy Planner. Sorry, the mailman walked past. But anyway, I don't have a Happy Planner. I have a Scribbles That Matter planner. This is my second Scribbles That Matter I'm getting here in this unboxing, so that when my current one runs out of pages, I have my next one available. I want to try to stay on top of that. But anyway, so I'm going to use those stickers in my Scribbles That Matter. So I will make my brackets the way I need to make it to use those stickers, but I had to. It's Harry Potter. I also, not shown here, got a Harry Potter t-shirt. It says Herbology. If you guys are following my Instagram, you'll have seen it. I kind of quickly flashed some more phone chargers, repeat, because we always need phone chargers. We always seem to lose them, and now they're C chargers. So this is my new tripod, my new overhead tripod. So hopefully the bullet journal videos will start looking much more better, guys. This has a much longer arm than my current tripod, so I'm going to be using my current one still, and also for in like the kitchen. And then this overhead tripod more for like the bullet journal videos and journaling videos, and like these types of videos too, where I'm filming from overhead. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. The only thing is that one didn't come with a ring light. I think I have to get another attachment to put a ring light on it. But yes. Oh, here are my plant watering spikes, also known as kind of like an Oya type spike, because it's not a complete Oya, because an Oya you'd bury in the garden. These are just spikes. They're the terracotta, and so the water goes through them at a slow rate, and we use the long neck glass bottles. So I believe this bottle that I'm going to show you is just that is just a root beer bottle actually, and it has a really long neck. So right now the garden has a couple different long neck bottles in it, but it is working fantastic. We have to go out there and harvest some tomatoes. I'm so happy. So but yeah, so that is all in this clip right here, and I have a couple more clips coming up. So oh no, I have one more thing in this clip. I got 2 books. This book came by this filming, and then I did get my other book. This one is The Green Witch, and then the other book I got was a complete guide to holistic and homeopathic herbal medicines. So I got that and this to go together, but also to go with the garden. So at some point here, I'm probably going to just sit out in the garden and read, because why not? That seems to be the logical place, especially for those 2 books. here is my one item that I did receive at Target, or that I did go and get at Target because I needed some, and we've actually already used these a good handful of times. These ones are the red one is actually raspberry color, and that is the sandwich size stasher bag. And then the clear one is the snack size stasher. So we ended up taking these with us to the water park, and they were really great. They're a certified bead corporation. They're women owned. They're 1% for the planet. You know, they are just a great company altogether. And I have a half-gallon stasher bag, so we've been meaning to add to our stasher collection. So these two were great together. They were about $20 at Target. And like I said, we've already gotten like a handful of uses out of them so far, and we're definitely selling more family members on reusability items. So hopefully maybe I can get another couple the next time we go to try to buy Ziploc bags. So slowly transitioning stuff here for my family, guys. You guys understand. I know you guys understand because you're my people. But anyway, they are like the best. And we were at the water park and it was hot, and they still kept up wonderful, amazing. This one came from Amazon. This is the True Earth laundry detergent strips. So one sheet is 2 strips, and I had just used one in my laundry the other day. That's what I was getting ready to do in this clip right here. I should have done an on-screen smell test afterwards because, oh my gosh, it was beautiful. I think I got like a pretty neutral scent, maybe even scent-free, but even with stuff that says scent-free, I still smell scent. But anyway, they were great. We have this weird little top-loady thing. I did not put it in there. I'm going to show you here in a second. Right there, I did not throw it in there. I just threw it in the drum with the clothes and everything, and it was perfect. I can't wait to try these on scrubs, and I will give you guys a full review on what I think about them in the next video. And then quickly before my time runs out, my next clip here is my compost tumbler. I'm so happy. I'm making a dedicated compost video to show you guys this tumbler and everything, and oh my gosh, we've put it together and we're using it right now, and it's amazing. So if you guys want to see that video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.